The patented Rapid Bracket is a proudly Australian-made void detector holder. It allows the installation and future maintenance of detectors in inaccessible or hard-to-reach ceiling spaces, up to 3 meters in height. Using Rapid Bracket avoids the need for using unsightly access hatches, saving time and money whilst leaving a sleek, aesthetically pleasing finish. Constructed from ultra-high heat resistant engineering polymers and ultra-lightweight anodized aluminium, the Rapid Bracket weighs just 1.2 kilograms in its tallest form. Its 128mm opening means it can be used with a larger variety of detectors. The clever clamping design allows it to be used in ceiling thicknesses ranging from 8mm to 32mm. This means the Rapid Bracket is compatible with more ceiling types and gives it the additional ability to be backblocked for some of those lighter duty ceilings and ceiling tiles. Installation. For your safety, before cutting the 165mm hole in the ceiling, ensure you're wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment. It's also important you've checked for ceiling battens or other surfaces that might obstruct your hole, like pipes and electrical cables. You can cut the 165mm hole using the template in the front of the box and a plaster saw, or alternatively, you can use a 165mm hole saw like the Rapid Hole Saw, available from our leading suppliers in a range of sizes. Once the hole is cut, simply insert the Rapid Bracket assembly into the hole. Push the 4 clips outwards. They'll simply click into place. Seat the housing down and twist until hand tight. Then assemble the tubes by simply clipping the tubes into the tube holder. Clip the bend into the top tube and clip the detector holder into the bend. After confirming the height of the ceiling void, start at the top push button and extend the telescopic tubes out to your desired length. Fit off your detector and secure your cables to the tubes at regular intervals using the cable ties provided. Ensure you have secured your cables no more than 500mm from the tube holder. Insert the 20mm assistance handle into the underside of the tube holder and use your other hand to support the tubes while inserting into the ceiling space. Push up, twist, and allow the tube holder to seat down on the 4 wedges. Push the locking buttons out to ensure it is secure. These locking buttons eliminate the need for fiddly screws. Attach your faceplate using the lanyard and the installation is complete. If a remote indicator is required, 4 optional screw mounts are concealed behind the faceplate sticker. The screw mounts will accommodate most remote indicators with 50mm spaced fixings. We've designed the Rapid Bracket to be an installer-friendly, time-saving product for professionals. Watch out for more of our time-saving products coming soon.